Okay, so this is a mermaid tail that I purchased secondhand for my daughter on Marketplace in California, and it definitely has some problems that I didn't really know when I purchased it. If you can see, there's little repair jobs that someone tried to do where it has corrective glitter silicone over the spots that they were trying to fix, and there's little spots of paint missing in lots of different areas. And then a little further up right here, there's more of the glitter that doesn't match in certain spots, missing paint, just not quite right. And on the part right here where the fin comes up, it's damaged spots here. It looks like several different times somebody tried to repair problem areas on it, and I can't complain because I got it for like I think $300, and the front side is in really good condition. I'm not going to flip it because it's really heavy, but it really wasn't bad on the front. And so then when we got it home, she tried to put it on, and the monofin inside, the footholes have totally warped. I don't know if the girl stored it in the garage and the heat melted them, but she cannot get her feet into the monofin. And so we've watched a ton of videos on how to get the monofin out, and most people have talked about cutting the edges with a blade all the way around and then having to remove the monofin and then reinsert a new one into it. But I actually am going to try something different, because at this point I think that I can cut right along this edge and on both sides and bend the monofin out and then replace it and then repair this seam. And I have no idea if it's going to work, but I think it's going to be a lot easier than going around the perimeter. So we're going to get started. I think because it's thick, we'll be able to glue that a lot easier than the thin parts along the bottom.
This hurts.
It shouldn't hurt because you haven't been able to use this, and it's a waste if we can't.
True, I'm excited.
Use it, so we're gonna do the best we can and go from there.
Oh, thanks.
And actually, cutting it at an angle like this is good, because then it has more surface area to grab when we glue,
And it won't be noticeable.
and it's camouflaged right along the seam.
It's pretty fast. The repair is probably going to be the worst part.
Exactly. And I have no idea what I'm doing, so
We really got to get.
we're just gonna do this to try to give you some joy in life and help somebody else along the way if they have the same problem. And then when somebody else has tried it, it gives you more confidence to do it yourself because you've seen what other people have done.
Yeah. I think we're going to need to get a lot of prep products for the silicone, you know,
Yeah,
to
this you
adhere.
have to clean it really well with acetone and alcohol.
Yeah, to get it to adhere.
You know what's going to be really frustrating is if we're able to repair the monofin when we pull it out.
Oh,
Could you imagine?
I could never.
That would be the worst. But I need to find out what kind of monofin will be good to put in its place because I don't want one that'll warp again.
Yeah. But like low key, this monofin is buns and it's discontinued, so.
Low key.
Yeah, we are. This is the ultimate. This is
I
crazy.
need to go much further than that.
Well, to get it out, you probably will. That'll probably be good. Yeah.
What do you think about that?
Oh my goodness.
I might need to go a little further on this side.
It's fine. We'll be able to repair it. Just cuts it more.
Well, I just don't want to tear it, you know, when you try to get it
It's so like
out. Okay. So
thick.
now we're going to try to pull it.
Right now?
Yeah,
Mom, it goes wide.
I know. But we're going to... Why don't you... I thought you were going to film it.
I have been.
Okay, so put it on. I'm gonna have you hold like this. Oh, that's probably to be able to pull when they're doing them clean.
I don't think there's any repairing of this. This plastic is so bad.
It's so bent. Okay, so
What if this is
it is a little bit, so I need to loosen it off.
It's coming off so easily.
Just be careful not to tear the. Yeah, so just try to remove the plastic.
It's kind of glued down there a lot.
I know. That's gonna be a problem.
Oh, I got it. A little more.
You might want to move your sweatshirt because it's going to be harder with your sweatshirt.
This is too. And they just nodded that it's so stupid.
Well, I think it's to make it.
I think it's old.
No, I think it's to make it better. Oh, got it. Oh.
It's so hard.
Y'all, I didn't know it was going to be this hard. It is definitely glued on there.
Oh, yeah.
I feel like there's some nasty sand and grit
Yeah,
down
there
there.
is. I can feel everything.
Somebody's been swimming in this. Y'all, we're getting a workout.
So many workout for my fingers.
Okay.
Oh, I'm so close.
Come on, girl, you got it.
It's so hard, Mom.
I can't get in there with you as well, so I'll let you do your thing.
Ow, it's so attached right there. And I'm so close to the edge. Isn't that hard?
Yeah, it's really glued on there right
I
there.
feel like Dad could do that better. You're so close. My knuckles hurt so bad.
It helps when you hold it.
It does?
Yeah.
You're so. The lighting's right. Yes!
I think it's that edge.
We'll see after this happens.
Hold it down. Yeah. I'm not still certain why they use the fabric.
Oh, it's so that it's like what they did in the video. It's so that the silicone sticks to it.
Yeah, but I think it sticks fine.
It's just to make sure it doesn't move.
I think if we did a silicone tail in here, the new one that they made, that silicone would stick to itself. And you wouldn't need. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's right.
Do you want help with this part? You're so rough, Mom.
I'm really not, but
You are. I couldn't do this side.
I am literally working so
I
hard.
know, it's so hard.
I'm like red faced.
At least slightly. It's like relieving to have it.
It's literally satisfying when you hear that pop.
Yeah, it is.
It's like when you go to the chiropractor, which I'm gonna need to do after this.
For each individual finger. You want me to try? You're so close. The edge is right there. But it's like you're giving birth.
I'm not even kidding.
Is this worse than birth? Or not even close?
No, it's a totally different muscle group. And my arms. My arms are not strong enough and I'm getting tired.
Go, Mom.
I'm trying. Let go of it for a second to see if it helps.
I don't
It's
think
so
it's
good
helping.
right there. It's
Let me try, Mom.
yes.
Yes.
It's leverage from a different angle. It doesn't help that the monofin ridges are jamming into my nose. I can't high five you.
Okay, now let's try pulling it out.
Wait, no. I think it's glued on the other side. Right? They glued it
No,
on
they
the other
didn't.
side.
What?
We have to flip it over.
Why did they do that? You're
Move
so
that way, please.
You're so rough, Mom.
Okay, and then we have to pull this.
Why did someone decide this?
We're not gluing it in like this. Is it easier with this?
Okay, try it with your feet. Oh my, it is so glued right now. It's so hard. It's so glued on this side, Mom.
Yeah, it is. Stop scratching. Sorry, it's my
Get off.
Sorry, it's
Woman. I'm just joking, I shouldn't have said that.
It's fine. Do you want to try to get the mesh off? I think the mesh is what's sticking to it. Oh, shoot, it's gonna rip the.
What?
The fabric. Did the fabric rip off the other side? Because I think the fabric came with the
It came with
silicone on
it.
the other side. See, it's still stuck right there.
Well, we can take it off later, it's fine.
No, I'm worried it's gonna rip the tail if we don't lift it up.
I don't think so.
I think so.
I think so. That was funny. I don't think so. I think so. I don't think so. Well, this is how I imagine it. Ow! Oh. I got the corner.
I got some. Oh, I'm getting some.
That sounds really bad. The good thing we're putting music over this. We should have done it in 2 times speed. Oh, I'm getting a lot.
1% at a time.
Okay, that's the edge. It's so satisfying. Why is there like sand in here?
Seriously.
Ah!
Literally, my arms are like
On fire.
bruised. Are you getting this covered too? Nice. Go, girl.
You can hear
You're
it.
there. You're almost there.
Yes.
You get it?
Yeah.
Woo!
Oh, my fingers. Can we flip it to take it out?
Yeah. That'd be a good idea. It sounds like water when you move it.
Yeah, it does.
Okay, we're gonna have to somehow try to bend. Maybe it bends this way better. Feel which way the monofin bends better. Definitely
This way.
Yeah, that way. So, if I hold the tail and you bend the monofin.
How about I hold the tail and you?
Alright. Let's turn it on its side. Because then make sure it's stuck on the side.
Oh. Cooked. Oh. Get that side then. It's gonna rip. Oh.
We just gave birth to a monofin!
Ew, look at that. Ew.
We just gave birth to a monofin. A bunch of stuff flew out.
This is how baby mermaids are made.
That is how baby mermaids come.
Then the mom dies. The mom dies though, Mom.
No, it doesn't.
Just repairs over time like
It
this.
just has to be able to feed it. What is that? What the F is that?
Mama.
It's one of those magnets.
Yeah, that was bad. Why did you say that?
Because it's an
I know.
F. I didn't cuss.
The rest of it would have been so much like redoing to do.
Yeah.
Ew. Can we just pull this off?
No, because it's going to help us with the silicone on the new one.
Ugh, whatever.
Okay.
Baby